question from ABS-CBN Online. Yung first question ko for the both of you, the founder and director, ano yung vision nyo for the children and ano yung plans for them? Yun, thank you.
Hello? Okay, hi. This one is burning ngayon. Alright, thank you so much for the question. Now, our vision po for the kids, it's a very good question kasi given that these are kids po, no? Hindi pwedeng wala tayong vision sa kanila. Dapat meron tayo, aside from the vision, that may purpose. And our vision for them po is, number one, to help them be confident. And of course, when we are confident, hello, yeah. So, help them to be confident. Once they are confident kasi, they will be able to share their talents, share their stories, and one day, when they do that, they will become good leaders to guide us to a better future ahead. So that's our vision for the kids. Thank you so much.
Mike daw po, Sir Renz. Sir?
Hello. Alright, so thank you so much po for that vision, and I just want to second kung ano man po yung sinabi ng aming producer, no? And it was really nice na malaman saan papunta itong programang ito. We believe that these young talents have a bright future, and with their fire na nasa puso nila, since they are the fire talents, di ba? We are seeing them once leaders, storytellers, people of value, mga henerasyon. We are raising our generation at this point. We have seen the different programs sa iba't ibang mga istasyon. We have Batang Pochi at some point sa ibang, siguro anong generation nyo? Maybe Gen Z. Meron pang mga children's shows para sa mga millennials. I think it's about time for Gen Alpha to really hear their voices. And we are seeing these young kids to really express more of who they really are, what kind of values they can share, and at the same time, these young kids can also these young kids can also raise up another generations of learners, storytellers, and also people who have, or kids who have really passion and fire in their hearts to really share in whatever platforms they have.
Hello.
Hello. Yung second question ko, paano sila napili? Did they audition? Paano po napili sila?
Good question po. So, itong mga kids natin ngayon, they actually went through journey. They started as a blazing talent wherein they undergo workshop, they do mall shows, recitals, and eventually when we handpick them, namin sa kanila, specifically sa natin na dito ngayon, sila yung talaga na handpick namin. So, kumbaga dumaan talaga sa matinding pagsasanay. Ayun.
Alright, and aside from that, I just want to also make this clear as well that these young kids are just the representatives of the Fire Squad. Everyone in this ballroom area will be part of this exciting show. So lahat po tayo kasama, lahat po tayo kaisa. Just at this point, we have these amazing young kids who are ready also to answer your questions. Pero moving forward, makikita nyo rin po ang iba't ibang mga faces din po ng Fire Talent Academy, ng Fire Kids, Fire Babies, and also Fire Teens na magsha-shine at magkakaroon din ng spotlight sa ating pong show. So, thank you lang po.
Okay, thank you. Our next na magtatanong is Rodel Fernando. Thank you.
Anyway, sa mga owners po, as a producer at sa director, kasi ngayon, ang hirap magpasikat ng di ba, ng talent. So, ano po yung pwedeng gawin ninyo para mapansin po ang mga talent po ninyo? Anong gagawin po ninyo?
Hello. Hello. Okay. So, our plan po for the kids for para kumbaga mapapansin sila to penetrate the mainstream media, if that's what you're pertaining to, is number one, since we have this amazing producers that we have, ang unang gagawin is pasukin ng social media. After that, may kipagpapasok kami sa mainstream projects. Marami kami nakaline na businesses, partners. In that way, makikilala tayo, especially these kids.
Alright, so thank you din po for that question. No? If there is a vision din kung paano sila mapapasok, I think it's very fitting na simulan natin sa kung anong platform yung ipaprovide natin for these young kids. Kasi mahirap din naman talagang at this day and age of social media, we believe na medyo, I don't know if this is a millennial thing or the other generation things pa na naiispatan ng mga talent sa mga malls, whatever, kung saan man sila pwedeng makita para lang talagang sumikat. Pero at this point, we are targeting na magkaroon muna ng platform. And this is Fire Squad, para at least this kind of platform may ipakita natin sa social media. We want to make it viral and also moving forward, and aspirations as well, na may mga media outlets din na makakita how talented these young kids are.
Okay. Thank you.
I can also ask the kids if you want to ask the kids.
Cesar po ito. Check. Net 25 news po. My questions goes to some of the kids. Opo. Kung sino man po yung pwede sumagot, kahit at least tatlo. What can you say na edge ninyo sa mga kids right now na maaari nyong maipakita sa buong mundo? Ang edge ninyo, kasi napakarami na rin mga child actors and actors like that. Yung anong meron kayo na maaari nyong ipakita sa buong mundo na hindi natin nakikita sa ibang mga young actors and actresses right now? Something wrong talaga sa microphone.
I can show to the world that I can sing and dance.
How about others? Like Rogue.
I can show the world that I can sing and dance.
Sing and dance. Wala bang may ibang talents? Aside from singing and dance.
My acting and my confidence. I want to inspire them.
There's someone to add on pa or okay?
For me po, I think hosting as TV shows now on mostly adults po nag-host. So I feel like hosting kids that host kids show is something that I can show to the world.
Thank you. Miss Pilar Mateo.
Wow, ito talaga. Para sa mga big boss po, how many talents are we looking at today dito sa Fire? Ilan po silang lahat? Ilan po silang lahat?
Sorry,
ng mga talents?
how many talents sila?
Yes.
I'm not sure, sir, how many talents at least I think 60 talents, which is sila, rotating talents sila for the show.
Ang dami.
Yeah.
Okay. Ang tanong ko para sa inyong dalawa and Anne, I'll play the devil's advocate here. Kasi what we are looking at now are young children, minors, di ba? So, pwedeng malaman po, para rin sa kapakanan ng mga magulang, kung ano yung laman ng kontrata na pipirmahan nila. Opo. Kung ilang taon, ilang projects, mga gano'n. Meron na ba? More or less, kung ano yung pipirmahan ng mga bata today.
siguro that's something that we cannot really disclose entirely, but to answer one of the questions, like yung duration, at least a year. And then, ano siya, continuous.
Yung pinaka matagal o sandaling kontrata po, how many years?
Yung pinaka-maikli is 1 year.
1 year,
Yes.
1 year naman.
And then, renewable pa.
So, nakaplano na po ba kung saan ilalagay lahat ng talents? Meron na po bang
Yes.
shows?
The segments, everything po is well coordinated.
Napasok na po sa lahat ng mga kailang mga light networks, gano'n. So, sino po ang mga, kumbaga, yung frontliners ng mga talents nyo? Meron na po ba?
Frontliners, we wouldn't want to say or name anyone who's gonna be the frontliner. Because again, all of these kids po are equally talented. Kaya po sila nandito today kasi they have something to offer in their own unique way. So wala tayong parang main host or main cast. As I mentioned earlier, mag-rotate sila per episode. Yan sila.
Isa na lang. Saan po nag-originate yung plano nyo to have these kids? Kasi kami po may pinanggagalingan, marami rin kami nakilala ng mga grupo na nag-put up ng ganitong setup ng mga talents pero walang nangyari doon sa mga bata. So ngayon ang gusto lang namin malaman kung ano nga po ang mga, paano nabuo? Bakit nyo gustong gumawa ng ganito, ng Fire Squad artists?
Ayun. Well, kasi po, si Fire Squad actually originated from our talent center, which is Fire Talent Academy. So from there, we're able to select kids kasi when we started way back in 2023 sa SM Mega Mall, marami nang dumaan sa aming talents. With the likes of, for example, si Anika Ko ng Mini Miss You. Actually, marami kami mga talents na dumaan sa Mini Miss You. Aside from si Sofia ng The Voice, ayan. So, kumbaga may mga dumadaang talents, but the thing is, kailangan din talaga nila ng help. Kumbaga ng support, kasi hindi lang magulang, kailangan it should be a combination of kagustuhan ng parents, ng talents, and also ng producers, kami, ng team namin. So, nung nakatagpo kami ng mga parents, talents na gusto itong project namin, dito kami nag-decide. Kaya,
so basically, it is a heartbeat ng ating mga fire parents who are really, really supportive sa lahat po ng mga shows na ginanap at ginawa na in-organize ng Fire Talent Academy sa iba't ibang mga malls since I guess 2023. So, it's a heartbeat ng ating mga parents na talagang mabigyan ng pagkakataon itong mga talented kids natin ng kakaibang klase ng platform. That's why we came out for a show where they can really express who they are and ipakita kung anong klaseng talent meron talaga. And I think it's about time to really celebrate wonderful talents of Jan Alpha at this point. And I think excited din kami na maipakita din yun sa mas marami pang audiences.
Okay, thank you very much po. Siyempre, we all want na these dreamers ma-achieve yung mga pangarap nila. Like kanina, may nakausap na kami, like si Rob, nakausap na namin. And I also talked to these twins here.
Twins, yeah.
Di ba nakakatuwa din sila? Talagang maganda yung mga mga kids kasi may mga talent talaga lahat. And congratulations po.
So much.